In this video, I'm going to show you how to add people from your phone contacts on Instagram. This works on Android and iOS, and this will be very easy. So right now, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this yourself. But before that, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then right now, I'll show you how to do this. So first of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your phone, and you want to click at the bottom right corner on your profile icon, and that brings you over to your account, right? Now, once you're here, you want to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and then you'll see this menu, and you want to click on Discover People. So when you click on Discover People, you'll see Connect to Facebook and Connect Contacts. So you want to click on Connect right there. Get started. There you go. Contacts connected. Okay, so right now it actually connected all of your contacts on Instagram, right? Now, once you've done that, you'll see this list of accounts, and all of these are from your contacts. So all of these are people that I have in my contacts, and these are their Instagram pages. Now, that's pretty much how you can add people from your phone contacts on Instagram. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, comment down below that this works, and then I'll see you next time. Peace out.